these 4 websites I'm going to show you today is going to earn you some pennies into your account, and they pay through PayPal and or Payoneer. These are tried and legit sites that you can actually earn from. Okay, and this site accepts anyone from any country. Alright, so the number 1 website I'm going to introduce to you is called GoTranscripts.com. GoTranscripts.com. Alright, this website, you don't just earn from there, you can also place another there if you have some content, or if you have some audio content you want to transcribe from audio to text. Okay, and this platform is 100% legit. Of course, the people that are working there are human, they are not artificial intelligence. Okay, these are one you can see here is 100% human generated service. And apart from that, they employ people. They can you can apply to become a transcriber and work on this platform as well, provided you pass their test. And of course, their test is not so hard because they give you guideline to pass it as well. So if you want to become a transcriber here, you can just scroll down to the bottom of the page, of the home page, and click on join as a transcriber. Join as a transcriber. You can see the link to this site in the video description there. I'm going to put it there to make it easy for you to get. Okay, you just click on join as transcriber and you fill up your details there. Fill up your details and complete the test. All right, so when you click on that, it takes you here, and you just have to click on apply now. Fill up your details, complete the test, and if you pass it 100%, they will accept you in, and you'll be seeing job offer. You'll be getting job notifications offer to your email, and you will take the job and complete. Then they'll pay you for that. All right, so that's the number 1 site that you can actually earn from. The number 2 site you can earn from is usalitic.com. Usalitic.com. This website actually pays you for testing other people's websites. Alright, they pay you for testing people's websites. That's what it works for. Alright, that's how you can actually earn from there. If you want to earn from there, just get on here and click on the login, and then choose tester login. Alright, so you're going to create a tester login. Once you're done creating your account, alright, you have to complete your profile so that your account will be visible to people, to clients that have website to be tested. And if you complete any project, they are going to pay you between $5 to $99, alright, per project. Of course, per website testing. Of course, depends on how complex the website is. So Usalitic is the second website that can actually pay you for using their platform. They pay you for testing websites. Alright, if you want to get started with this, just click on login and click on test login. Alright, you don't have an account yet, so you're definitely going to click on register. Click to register. So you're going to put in your details. And then click on start testing. You put in your details, and they will notify you on your email and complete your registration from there. Alright, so the third one I'm going to introduce to you now is Rumble. Rumble.com. Alright, this platform is just like a YouTube platform. Okay, it pays you for uploading video to their platform. Alright, and this is how they pay you. When you upload video to Rumble, they pay you 90% of what this video earns from YouTube, and pay you 60% of what this video earns from other platforms as well. Alright, so that's how it works. So of course, this means that they actually share your video with YouTube and other platforms, and earnings from there will be shared with you. They pay you 90% from the earnings on YouTube, and pays you 60% from the total earnings from other platforms as well. And it's very, very easy to register. You just click on sign up. Sign in rather. And you don't have an account here. I already have an account with them. Click on create a Rumble account now, and you register and put in your details. And it doesn't take any stress to create. And let's see an example of what I'm saying, how to earn from this platform. Okay, you will see these are various videos of people. They are posting it here to earn. Some are posting it to pass information, and while they are passing information, they are still earning from this platform. All right, as you can see, this one actually earns $1.16 just for posting this video, and this is just the one you see. All right, there are other ones. There are other earnings, subsequent earnings from this particular videos. All right, and this earning will be updated as they keep getting reports from other platforms that they share the video. All right, so the first one that I'm going to share with you in this video is Webloaded.com. All right, Webloaded.com. This website or this platform actually works like all those freelancing platforms, more like it, like Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelancing platforms. They are more like a freelancing platform where you can sign in your details and start working to earn. It's more like doing a remote job. All right, okay, so this platform pays you for completing tasks. All right, there are many tasks here that you can actually complete and that you can actually do, and you start working. All right, the steps here is to create your job profile on the platform and offer your freelancing service to global audience of employers. And the second step is, this employer will contact you just like Fiverr. Fiverr has removed the buyer's request option, and now it is the buyers that contact you for services now. All right, and I think that is more of an advantage to disadvantage according to them. All right, and the third step is to get hired. Once you have some conversation with the buyer and they hire you, do the project. Once you submit, you receive your payments to your account. All right, and like I said, you can actually access your payments. You can get your payment or your funds via Payoneer or PayPal accounts. All right, so it's very important for you to have either of the two, or you have the two, of course, to be on the safer side. All right, so on this platform you complete remote works, virtual works. These are micro jobs. Okay, so these are the jobs that you can actually do. Micro jobs you can be hired for internet research, typing, data entry, surveys, form filling, web scraping to scrap websites, and virtual assistance, tutoring, teaching, proofreading and editing, transcription. This same transcription is on this GoTranscripts.com, and there are other services here as well. You have writing job services, you have a designing job service. These are website design, graphic design, logo design, banner design, multimedia design, animation, photo editing, and video editing. If you are good in photo editing, you can actually apply to this platform. If you have any skills or whatsoever, you can apply to this platform and you start earning cool cash from it. Testing jobs, website testing, just like Viewsalytic.com. You can be testing website from there and be earning. And here too, they pay you for testing website as well. You can come to this platform and create your profile and apply for website testing jobs. And here too, marketing jobs, digital marketing, internet marketing. If you know more about email marketing, in my subsequent videos now, I'm going to create video on email marketing, how to do email marketing, how to earn from email marketing, and how to apply for email marketing jobs on this freelancing platform or remote work platform. All right, and we have these are the entry level jobs, managerial jobs. There are many jobs here you can actually do. So you see, you are not limited to just one job. There are many niches here, category and subcategory you can opt in for. Just come down, or of course click here and register and start earning from this platform. Just you have to pass some of their tests, of course, to validate your experience in the particular field you want to be hired for. All right, so guys, these 4 websites can actually fetch you some bucks into your pocket before December runs out. We are already in December and you can still make some arrangement on how to do your December through these 4 websites: Viewsalytic.com, GoTranscripts.com, Rumble.com, and WebloadedSolutions.com. These 4 websites can actually pay you some bucks into your pocket. So guys, I'm sure you've learned something from this video, and I want you to do me one favor: kindly like this video, okay, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that if I post other videos, you'll be the first person to receive a notification of the video I post. All right, like I said, I'll be dropping videos related to digital marketing soon, and you will learn how to go about digital marketing and how you can actually use these skills to earn online. And also, I'm going to open your eye to how to get certificates and yeah, free certificate. Of course, you don't have to pay for it. How to get certificates to back up your portfolio. You know, when you're working online, when you're working on this freelancing platform, it's very good to have certificate to back up your expertise or experience in the particular field you are being hired for. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video again. I remain OPJX, the owner of Literate Hub. Thank you and stay safe.